Hello, you. Good to see ya. How are you today? If you're new here, I'm Marlo from Marlo's Treasures, and as you'll see, I absolutely love jewelry. Today, I'm opening a small jewelry lot that I won off of Goodwill. It's only about 2 pounds, so let's see what we find. I always try to be as careful as possible opening this stuff because you never know. You don't want to be losing stones right away. Let's see here though. I do like the gold tone. I kind of have darker skin, kind of more tan, so gold usually looks better on me, but we'll see. Oh, this is a nice cuff. Yeah, that's pretty. Looks like it's a little dirty, and I don't see any markings. So it's just a hinged, oh, it's a wide hinged cuff bracelet. It's very pretty though. I like it. Nice and heavy. Let's see. This one's jumping out at me here. Pretty crystal, this stretch bracelet. Yeah, very pretty. And necklace. Yes, necklace. Make some room here, because geez. Oh, wait a minute now. That is very pretty. You know what that looks like? I have to test that, but that looks like garnet, like just different shaped garnets on a link chain. Gold tone. I like it. See, that would look great. That's kind of stuff I would wear. That's very pretty. This necklace here is kind of a bib necklace. Oh, red, white, and blue. Yes, very patriotic. I could see wearing that on like 4th of July or any of the national holidays. Neat. I like it. Pretty. Okay, so we got some good stuff going here so far. Ooh, wait a minute now. Ugh. Okay. Nice. Oh, no. Stone missing. I doubt it's going to be in the bag. It might be. You never know. The rest of them look like they're there. And it's another stretch bracelet. It's a pretty color. It's kind of peachy. Missing a stone. Darn it. Okay. It's another one of the rhinestone. That's kind of a hot pink, maybe. Very vibrant. You know what? You could put that with the clear one, the clear gemstone one. This is heavy. Maybe silver plate? Not sure. But the crystals, I like how the crystals are two different shapes. Let's see if I can manage to not break a nail. Getting this open. Yay. Okay. If you can tell how heavy it is, but it's very thick. So you have round and oval stones, and I can't seem to get that undone, but that's okay. I'll work on that later. Another stretch bracelet. Pretty. It's kind of a blue-green, kind of. In the little picture, you can tell it looks a little more green, but then again, the light isn't the same on the little inset photos that I've taken. But that's very pretty. It's kind of a silver tone, maybe even silver plastic. Can't tell. I have to check that out. Okay, what else we got? We've got, isn't that, ooh, wait a minute now. I love that. Yeah, I don't know, darn it. I know that's called something. That yellow with the sparklies on the inside. And it looks, those look faceted too. Yeah. And the little clear. That's pretty. I like it. Ooh, fancy. I like that. Yeah. Little colorless beads or crystals in it. Rhinestones, crystals. Neat. Oof, that's meaty. Those are glass. Yeah, you can hear when it tinks. Is this a safety chain? Hmm. Oop, wait, it's marked. It's marked. What's it marked? Claudette. Nice. You know, Claudette, I think it's Premier Jewelry Company. They use Claudette as the mark only from 1945 to 1955. So you kind of can date it that way. This is pretty. I can't tell if it's like a floral or if you could be like, oh, that's butterfly wings. Pretty, pretty. Another stretch bracelet. Stretch bracelets are so nice. You just slip them on. Doesn't matter. There's another one. Yep. Like yellowy colors. Pretty, pretty. Wow. Fantastic. It's very pretty. Got all of those crystals, those little clear. Ooh, icing. Nice. Isn't it the best when it's got a hang tag or a marking on it? I get all excited. This is very pretty. There's like 3 rows of the gems. Oh no, wait. Missing a stone. Gosh darn it. You know what? That it's clear though, that's very helpful because that is easier. Another one. That's way easier to replace because it's such a nice bracelet. Ooh, kind of butterscotch color, faceted gems. And the little block separators between spacers. That's nice. Kind of statement pieces when you have something that big versus the little thin bracelets. Like this guy. Look at this guy. Wow. That is huge. Cuff bracelet. You got to be saying, look out. I'm coming through. And this. See, that's nice. You easily wear that somewhere really nice. Out to a nice dinner, a wedding. So pretty. And that, again, with the kind of slip-ons, fits pretty much any wrist. That's very nice. What in the world? What do we got? Oh my gosh, you know what this is? If you know what if you knew what it was ahead of time, tell me to write me something down in the comments. Luke's coffee. Yeah, if you know what this is, if you knew ahead of time what that was, that's awesome. It's a Gilmore Girls. It's from Gilmore Girls. Lots of little guys here. Let's see. Lots of little charms. See how it looks like a coffee mug? And it's Alex and Annie from 2020. Yeah. And then other little charms that also say Alex and Annie. And energy and yeah, that's pretty fun. Love those kind of charms. And this one, oh, now see, that reminds me of, do you know what ginger snaps? Do you know what ginger snaps are? Have you heard of those? It's these little charms that you get, and you can take this top off. Here we go. Break a nail again. No, don't break it. Don't break it. This is really pretty with all the little stones on top. Very sparkly. Come on. You can do it. Oh, yeah. Anyway, so it's replaceable. So they had all, you could buy these little snaps, and this has an M on it. So it's not a ginger snap. I don't know what an M stands for. Again, I'll have to look that up. But so you could just replace these with different ones, little green ones, little blue ones, little whatever, and they have initials on them, and then you can stack these up and have multiples. They have them on key rings and necklaces and just charms that you can put on different stuff. This one, what's this have? An M? Yeah, an M. Again, I gotta look that up. I'm not sure what that is. If you know what it is, I'd love for you to tell me because sometimes it's hard to find. And this is, that's pretty cool. I like it. Let's see, pretty. It's very spring. Does it make you feel like spring? Slip that on. Go to brunch. Nice. A little weighty. I like that. And this is lavalier. Is that what? Yeah, that's what it is. So that has a pendant and then the little dangly chains below it. Very, very pretty. I don't like really that stone on top. It's like, come on, man, put it in there proper before you glue it. Dang it. Well, that might be easy to fix, or else it'll drive me nuts that it's not perfect. But I do like the sparkly on it. Kind of AB stones. One little earring. And what's it say? Avon. So one little Avon earring. Cute, but I need the pair. And another big old bib necklace. See, that kind of goes with that other stretch bracelet, except those are round, and then this one is square. It's a New York company. That's really neat. It's kind of a butterscotch color. Again, I can just see that on like a black or even like a green sweater, like a turtleneck maybe. Wow. Hello. That's pretty. It's like a big medallion. Kind of green turquoise. Nice long chain. Little lobster claw. Oh, that's nice too because it's adjustable. You could put it on any one of those links if you wanted a little shorter or a little longer. Very pretty. There's the back. Yeah. I like when there's holes behind the stones. Let a little light through if possible. Okay, well that wasn't bad, right? I mean, for £2, I think that's a lot of nice little things. I wish they were all perfect and no damage or anything, but you're getting this from Goodwill, so people are donating and we're buying. Yeah, I do like that cuff at the top with that's kind of like multi-strands. Do you have a favorite? Did you see something that you think you would wear? Let me know. I try to comment as much as possible. Back at ya. Okay. So like 4 necklaces and the rest bracelets, and then one little baby lonely earring. Woo, that was a good one. Thank you so much for watching. As always, click the little thumbs up button to show me that you like the video, and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more. Hope you come back soon. Enjoy your day. Bye bye, you.